How was your science exam today?
Yeah, it was actually really easy.
Maths paper, yeah, obviously students had a tragic end on that one.
This was circulating like CBSE has changed the mood, the question paper standard is increasing and everything was there.
Physics and then chemistry.
How much you are expecting?
75 plus.
75 plus, cool, yeah, my blessings with you.
No, like this time none of the questions came from NCERT. We all thought the questions would come from NCERT, but none of them came.
So is the CBSE is doing injustice with the student of class 10th? This news was circulating everywhere, like the question paper, the standard of question paper, the level of question coming this year in board exam is a bit higher level, so students were stressed. So to get the reality check, to get the real truth behind this, I personally, being a teacher, this is my responsibility to come forward, to interact with my students, what exactly they are facing and what is the level of question paper they are getting this year in board exam. So I am here at one of CBSE examination center. Let's talk with the student. Today is the third exam, science paper of CBSE class 10th, and they are about to come. It's already 1:30 is there, so the students are about to come out. So let's interact with the student and let's talk. So how was the exam?
Yeah, it was good. Like,
After maths exam, it was hyping everywhere. The news was circulating. The CBSE has increased the question paper level and all. So did it bring some comfort and happiness on your face, your science exam?
yeah.
Okay, so you know Diksha Vedantu?
Yeah.
How was the paper?
It was nice.
It was nice.
Tough, yeah.
Physics was tough. What about CBQ, competency based question?
Competency based question was easy.
Was easy?
Yeah, it was
Cool, cool. And after your first exam, your maths exam, it was hyping everywhere. It was circulating like CBSE has, changed the mood and question paper and all. What about science? If you compare your science paper from maths,
Yeah, it was better than maths. Science was better than maths.
did it bring some comfort and happiness on face?
Yeah.
Super. Thank you. What's your name?
Gia.
Jia. Say bless Jia. Thank you so much, Jia. So let's talk with another students. Okay, so hi, how are you? What's your name?
My name is Mehta.
How was your science exam?
It was good.
Your face is telling everything. Super. So after maths exam, like so much of stress and anxiety was there. So did it bring some comfort and happiness your science exam?
Yes, it was a lot better than my maths exam. Maths exam was not as expected.
Okay. One message that you want to deliver to your juniors, the 9th student who are promoting 10th standard, they are going to write their board exam next year.
Practice PYQs.
Practice PYQ. Super. Practice PYQ, guys. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ma'am. Here they're discussing out. They came out from examination. Hi, Evren. Just one question that I want to ask you. How was your exam?
It was very good. This year's science paper was comparatively easier than last year's.
And what about maths?
Maths paper, yeah, obviously students had a tragic end on that
See,
one.
if the standard is increased by CBSE, this is, I think, betterment for the student as well, no? Because it is going to help them a lot in their next standard in PUC first and all, because they are going to face so much challenges there, right? So if the CBSE has increased the level of question paper, that is, I think, beneficial for the student as well. So one message that you would like to tell your juniors.
That CBSE is being consistent on their papers, so you have to work accordingly and you can certainly ace the exams.
Cool. Thank you so much. What's your name? Your name?
Swastik Bohra.
Stay blessed for your PUC first. After talking with so many students, comparatively, if we compare the science question paper from maths, so it was a bit relaxing. It was a bit comfort for the students to encounter the question of science. So let's talk with few more students. Okay. Hi. Can we talk just one question regarding your exam? How was your science exam?
It was good.
It was good. If we compare question paper, standard of question of science from mathematics, like maths was a bit, So what do you say?
So it was much more easier.
How was your preparation of science?
It was good.
Okay. Thank you so much. What's your name?
Sri Raksha.
So how is your preparation for upcoming exam? Like few exams are still left. How is your preparation?
I'm doing well.
One message that you want to say to juniors, to 9th class students.
To just work hard and you.
Thank you so much for interacting. Thank you so much. How was your science exam today?
Yeah, it was actually really easy.
Really easy.
Very easy, actually.
Super.
didn't
What about CBQ question in today's exam? Competency based question.
Not at all. It was everything's like literally from textbook. And
Superb. So after maths exam, it was hyping everywhere. It was circulating like CBSE has changed the mood. The level of question paper is increasing and everything. Huge hyping was there. So if you would compare the maths exam from science, what was the label?
it was really easy, actually. Like, I cannot tell how easy it is, but yeah, maths was on a different level, yeah. But
One message that you want to say to CBSE.
please give grace marks for maths exam, please.
Give grace marks to mathematics. Thank you. Hi guys, can we talk just few questions regarding your exam?
Yeah,
Just few questions. Okay, with your permission. Okay.
Yeah.
So how was your exam today?
it was good. Expected and what was.
See, after maths exam, it was hyping everywhere. this was circulating like CBSE had changed the mood, the question paper standard is increasing and everything was there. So if we compare the math standard, questions of maths and science, what do you felt?
It's extremely easy compared to maths. Maths paper was a bit tough
it was
compared to last year.
Come up here actually.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. So
Compared to PYQs, we didn't get much in maths, but in science we got easy questions, and most of them were direct, like definition type.
So one thing, very simple question that I want to ask from both of you. Can we still score good marks just to following NCERT textbook and just to following basic books as per your maths question paper? I'm talking about maths.
No, probably not.
No. One suggestion that you want to give to CBSE.
Make the books easier or the papers easier.
As per the level of question paper, the curriculum should be according to that. That whatever the question paper that you got in your first exam. Okay. One message and one advice that you want to give to your juniors. Those are in 9th standard and they are going to write their board exam next year.
Do as much as you can. As
Okay.
much resources from wherever.
Any online platform you are following for your preparation of your board exam?
Yeah, I have been using few online platforms for Vedantu as well. Yeah, for free papers that you
Diksha
get. Sample.
Vedantu.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, so what's your name, buddy?
Yashwant.
Yashwant. So how was your exam today?
It was nice.
Oh, nice. Okay. So if we compare your science question paper from maths that you got in first exam, so what was the scenario?
Yeah, maths was like totally unexpected. Like it came off like it was too difficult for us.
Okay.
Yeah, and science was easy. It was all in our
It
syllabus.
was easy. Okay. So just one question, very important question, because this question is genuinely important for the ninth student, your juniors. Those are going to write their board exam in next year, right? So can we still score good marks in maths just following NCERT textbook and normal books?
No, like this time none of the questions came from NCERT. We all thought the questions would come from NCERT, but none of them came.
Okay. If we compare 3 subjects, biology, physics and chemistry, what was a bit challenging to you?
Physics, like, yeah. Chemistry is just about remembering all the things.
Okay. Cool.
So it was physics. It comes-
Okay. The one suggestion, one advice that you would like to give to CBSE. Interesting question, huh? Yeah.
Yeah, they should like make all the sets. They should make all the sets similar, like
All this is similar.
not like that. The difficulty level.
Okay,
like,
difficulty
in
level.
maths, the third set was too difficult.
It means according to your words, no partiality should be there. No. Okay, Akshay. So today was your science exam.
Yeah.
How was the experience? Did it bring some comfort and happiness on your face?
Yeah, it did. It was very easy.
It was very easy.
Yeah.
And the people were saying like few competency-based question will be there, like challenging question, very difficult question. So what is the difficulty level of question if we compare all 3 sections? Biology, chemistry, and physics.
If you want to compare, then biology would be the easiest, and then physics, and then chemistry.
How much you are expecting?
75 plus.
75 plus. Cool, yeah. My blessings with you. By the way, one question that I want to ask from you personally. What one suggestion and one advice that you want to give to your juniors, those are in 9th standard, and they are going to write their board exam next year?
So the advice I would like to give is just practice more questions and then do as many sample papers as possible, and also like focus on more competency based. That's it.
Very interesting question. One advice for CBSE.
Make the maths paper like a bit easier. It was like way hard. Like none of the questions that were there in any sample papers or question banks. Nothing. It was like out of the whole like books and everything.
Dear CBSE, listen what the student is saying and don't do injustice with the students. Thank you so much for interacting with us. Stay blessed, champion.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.